AJAX is a technique to create more dynamic and interactive web applications. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You want more food, but you don't want to leave the table or restart your whole meal. That's AJAX. Without AJAX, asking for data is like leaving the restaurant, going to the kitchen, and sitting back down every time. AJAX, you stay seated, and a waiter brings it to you. When you click a button, JavaScript sends a request behind the scenes. The server prepares your dish and sends it back, without disturbing the rest of your experience. Today, most devs use fetch function. It's like placing an order using a tablet, cleaner and simpler. While you wait for your food, you can still chat, scroll, or sip your drink. AJAX lets your page keep running while data is fetched in the background. AJAX is how websites show real-time weather, search results, or update feeds without reloading. Still hungry? Like this video, drop a bento in the comments, and subscribe for more tutorials that deliver hot and fast.